that I had to let my peaches go. Hey YouTube, welcome to a new week. FYI, my birthday's coming up. So today's video is actually going to be pretty short because we're going to do a series of additional short videos throughout the week leading up to my birthday. So I have a lot of tasks that need to be accomplished, and one of them is going to be pruning my peach tree. This is our lovely peach tree with all of the peaches on it. So you can see this tree is loaded with peaches right now, and I need to remove these because this is a lot of strain for my very young tree. So I'm going to take off probably about 2/3 of these peaches. So you see them all over here. These are absolutely amazing to me and very exciting, but I'm going to remove these peaches, and then we're going to give this tree a nice bit of fertilizer and keep it moving. So super easy question, why am I taking off all of the extra peaches? This tree is young, and this is going to be its first time blooming. I want to give it its best chance at having successful blooms. So I'm going to take off a lot of these extras just to make sure that it grows, that it thrives, and that I get the biggest, juiciest peaches that I can have. And when it's got all of this on here, these peaches would end up being a lot smaller and not as delicious, right? Because there's just too many of them. This is a very young tree. Maybe when it's older, more established, in about 5 years, we can leave more of these on here, but this is too much. I'm just going to be taking these off. Okay, you can see how many that we actually took off. This is quite a lot. It feels absolutely wrong to be taking healthy fruit off a tree, right? But you want your tree to thrive, you want your tree to survive, and you want it to bloom profusely as years come. And so right now it's in a container. Eventually I do want to up pot it, or actually I want to move it out into the landscape where it can just grow in the ground, but it's not there yet. In my small townhome, I need to keep it in a pot. And so what I'm doing right now is going to give it its best chance for a long life in the future, even though I hate that I had to let my peaches go. Anywho, it looks good. So there's a lot fewer peaches, but you know what this is enough for? Cobbler. So it's still got some peaches on there, a lot fewer. Now I'm going to give this tree some fertilizer and it should be a happy, happy tree and ready to keep blooming.